Today we are going to do with the topic of family of lines. Now what is family of lines? Now see these two black lines. These are the two intersecting lines. Right, L1 and L2. These two black line are intersecting line. They are intersecting over here. And family of lines means the number of lines which can pass through this point of intersection of the two given lines. Clear? So family of lines means the number of lines which can pass through this point of intersection of the two given lines, that is L1 and L2. And the blue dotted lines which you can see, this one can be one line which is passing through the point of intersection of these two given line. This line can be the another line. This line can be another line, and so there can be infinite lines which can pass through the point of intersection of these two given lines, and those lines are called family of lines. Clear? Now suppose if the equation of the line 1 is given as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the equation of line 2 is given as a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then the equation of any line passing through the point of intersection of these two given lines is given by L1 plus k of L2. This is the equation of family of lines. Now here the k is constant. The k is constant and the k is going to keep on change, and by putting different values of k, you will get different equations of respective lines which are passing through the point of intersection of these two given lines. I hope it's clear. So remember this formula. This is the equation of line passing through the point of intersection of the two given lines. Clear? Now see, according to the formula, what is our L1? L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1. We have assumed that, plus k of L2. What is L2? L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now you open the bracket, you will get a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to, you multiply c plus k into a2x, that is k a2x, right, plus k into b2y, that is k b2y, plus that is k into c2, that is k c2. So after opening bracket you are getting this. Now your target is to keep the x related terms together. Now see, this term is consisting of x, right, and you search which term you have x, this term is also having x, so your target is to keep these x terms together. So we are keeping the x related terms together, that is a1x plus k of a2x, right. Similarly keep the y terms together. Now see, it is b1y plus, now this term has y, so pair it with y term, so it is k b2y. Clear? And you keep the constants separately, that is c1 plus k of c2. Clear? Next target is from these two term, you take x common, you are left with a1 from the first term by taking x common, plus ka2 from the second term into x by taking x common from this two term. Similarly taking y common from this two term, you will get y as common, so you will be left with b1 from the first term plus kb2 from the second term, plus now there is nothing to take common from this term. See, this is constant, separate constants, so you pair the two separate constants like this. So after taking common, you are having with this. Now we have to calculate the slope of this line, family of line. We have to calculate the slope of this family of line. Now students, for slope, you know from class 10 you have to arrange in y equal to mx plus c format to get slope, right? From class 10, y equal to mx plus c format you have to arrange. So you have to arrange this given equation, means equation, into y equal to mx plus c format, right? So what you are going to do, you are going to keep this y term in one side, because to arrange in y equal to mx plus c form, you need y on the one side and that mx term in the other side and the constant on the other side. So here this y term is there, you keep it in this side, you send this term there, so this entire term will go there and it will become minus a1 plus ka2 x, right, minus in the bracket c1 plus kc2 is equal to okay, we are sending this, so this term we are keeping here and these two terms we are sending that side of the equal to, so it will become minus a1 plus ka2x minus c1 plus kc2, right? Now you need only y, so you send this term to there, you divide it, you split it, right? So you will get y equal to minus a1 plus ka2x by b1 plus kb2. Just you do cross multiply, you divide the entire term and split it, or you can split it separately as you used to do in class 10. So you will get, if you will divide this, so you will get b1 plus kb2 minus, now see this term is c1 plus kc2 by, again you divide the coefficient of y, that is b1 plus kb2. Now this portion is our what? This portion is the slope, because we have arranged in y equal to mx plus c format, and the coefficient of x, which is m, the slope of the line. So what is the slope of this family of line? The slope will be, m is given by minus a1 plus ka2 by, in the bracket, b1 plus kb2. So this is the slope of your required line. Students, we are I hope you have understood. In the next videos we are going to continue with the numericals of family of lines, so you practice. Now one thing to notice here, now what is this a1 plus ka2? This is nothing but, see, a1 plus ka2, this is what? This is nothing but coefficient of x. This is, see, this is nothing but coefficient of x by, what is this b1 plus kb2 term? b1 plus kb2 is, it is coefficient of y. So you remember the slope of a family of line is nothing but minus, see, you will get minus in the formula. I have shown you the derivation so that you can understand the derivation. In the next videos we are going to continue with the numericals, you will better understand. So now see, this a1 plus ka2 is what? This is nothing but the coefficient of x. So the formula actually reduced into coefficient of x by, now see, what is b1 plus kb2? It is coefficient of y. So by coefficient of y. So this is the formula of slope of a family of line which is passing through the intersection of two given lines. The formula of slope is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Students, keep practicing. Thanks for watching. This is Shagnik sir.